Want to boost your testosterone levels naturally? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we dive into the realm of natural testosterone boosters, the foods that can help you keep those hormone levels in check. First on our list is the humble tuna. This fish isn't just for sandwiches. Tuna is rich in vitamin D, which has been linked to a longer life and testosterone production. It's also a heart-healthy, protein-rich food that's low in calories. Whether you choose fresh or canned, eating this fish can be a natural way of boosting testosterone. Next up, we have low-fat milk with vitamin D. Milk is all about improving bone health. The truth lies in its vitamin D content. While both versions are good for keeping your bones strong, milk that's fortified with vitamin D is also great for boosting your testosterone levels. Third on the list is the egg yolk. Egg yolks are another rich source of vitamin D. While cholesterol has a bad reputation, egg yolk contains more nutrients than egg whites. The cholesterol of egg yolks may even help low T levels. It's essential to have cholesterol in your diet as your body needs the fat to produce testosterone. Our fourth food might surprise you. It's the shellfish. An occasional serving of crab or lobster may do your testosterone levels a world of good. This is especially true if you have a zinc deficiency, since zinc plays a key role in hormone production. Finally, we have the lean beef. Certain types of beef have nutrients that can help boost your testosterone. For instance, ground beef and chuck roast are rich in zinc, while beef liver is an excellent source of vitamin D. These are just a few of the testosterone-boosting foods out there. Remember, a healthy diet reflects on your overall health, and your overall health can influence your testosterone levels. Balance is key. Don't rely solely on these foods to help boost your testosterone levels. A holistic approach to overall health is the best way to naturally boost your testosterone levels. Now, armed with this knowledge, you can navigate towards a healthier and more balanced diet. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's medicine. So eat wisely, live healthily, and stay strong.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest